I will show you how to get better at drawing faster with simple drawing exercises. First, we'll practice drawing shapes, then I'll show you how you can use them when you draw portraits. The skill of drawing shapes is of course the most important thing. Being able to draw rectangles, triangles, circles, ellipses. I'm not going to waste your time with unnecessary things, so I'm not going to draw thousands of straight lines for half an hour, because I don't think that's what you're here for. Of course, they are important and they're perfect as warm-up exercises. If you want, I will show them in a future video. Let me know in the comment section. When drawing shapes, the circle is the one that gives you the most trouble. You can watch how to draw a circle in my Loomis help video. For portrait drawing, it's essential that you are able to draw exactly what you see after carefully observing the proportions of the reference photo or the live model sitting in front of you. You can develop this skill very well with the following simple exercises. You usually have a good feel for where the middle or midpoint of a line or section is. It's a human thing, the desire for harmony. Of course, the shorter the line, the better you hit the midpoint. Start with smaller sections, then try longer and longer ones. You can check yourself with a ruler, a compass, or a proportional divider. Thirds are more difficult, but not impossible with lots of practice. The good news is that you can check yourself here too and correct any mistakes. Draw a line and then try to draw a line of the same length a little further away from it or on the bottom of the paper. When you're done, check it. Try the same thing with slanting or diagonal lines. Draw 3 dots. First, draw them in a line, but make sure they are different distances apart. Then try to recreate them further away, or on another piece of paper. Now, draw the 3 points so that they are not in line. This helps to determine the observed triangles in a reference photo. If you can draw the position of the points in relation to each other well, you can draw an accurate shape. Draw any shape you like, whether it's a triangle, polygon, circle or ellipse, and try to repeat it next to it. Then draw it further away. I always tell you to draw lightly, if you have to, with several smaller sketch lines. If you guide your pencil over the reference photo or the shape or line you want to copy several times, your eyes, hands, essentially your brain, will memorize the shape, the length of the line. It gets into your muscle memory, and then it's easier to draw the same shape on your paper.